Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, your go-to spot for quick and easy tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your delivery address on Temu, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Temu app and sign into your account. Make sure it's the one linked to your orders. Step 2. Tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. That's your account and settings area. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Address Book. Here, you'll find all your saved shipping addresses. Step 4. Find the address you want to update and tap the edit icon. You can now change the name, street, city, postal code, and phone number. Step 5. After editing, tap Save. Your changes will now apply to future orders. Important: you can't edit the address for orders that have already shipped. To check, go to My Orders, select the item, and if it hasn't shipped, you may see an Edit Shipping Address option. If it's already shipped, you'll need to wait for delivery or contact Temu support. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit your delivery address on Temu in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful walkthroughs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.